APECOIN cost today is $8.06 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $329,924,858 United States dollars. We update our APE to United States dollars cost progressively. APECOIN is down 11% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 32, with a live market cap of $2,353,743,400 win United States dollars. It has a circling supply of 292,187,500 APECOINs and a maximum supply of 100,000,000,000 APECOINs. APECOIN has rapidly turned into a 2022 cryptographic money example of overcoming adversity after its end-off in March. Today, it positions in the main 50 biggest digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2.4 billion. In the present exchanging meeting, APECOIN is going on with a drawn-out negative pattern, dropping by 6.5%. Since its end-off, the cryptographic money has been one of the most unstable digital currencies on the lookout. In the long stretch of May, for example, the costs had dropped by 75% eventually, hitting the $5 cost level. In any case, the costs have been recuperating, and the beyond 7 days have seen the crypto ascend by 58% to as of now exchanging at $8.2. In the beyond couple of weeks, bits of gossip about APECOIN moving from Ethereum to their own chain have kept on spreading. This is after a progression of hiccups including the Ethereum stage, bringing about the stage switching off its organization for quite a while. Nonetheless, the new occasion was a grievous $100 million misstep because of the Ethereum stage. The misfortune occurred after Yuga Labs, the organization behind APECOIN, printed non-fungible tokens (NFTs) for its other side metaverse. During the method involved with stamping, financial backers were charged $100 million in exchange expenses. This brought about the board individuals showing they would be available to offers on the advancement of their own chain. APECOIN price prediction. The diagram underneath shows that in the beyond couple of days, the cost of APECOIN has been exchanging sideways. This is after the most recent cost resurgence that came about in a 58% cost gain and took APECOIN back to exchanging above $8. Notwithstanding, in spite of late cost gains, APECOIN actually stays in a drawn-out negative move. The digital money industry is additionally in a negative market. Accordingly, my APECOIN cost expectation anticipates that the negative pattern should proceed. There is an extremely high probability that we will see the costs exchanging underneath $6. Be that as it may, assuming the costs move exchange above $8.5, my exchange investigation will be refuted. It will likewise show that the sideways market will proceed. Assuming that costs neglect to break the $7.8 support level, a potential bullish move can likewise occur. What is APECOIN? APECOIN is an ERC-20 administration and utility token utilized inside the APE ecosystem to engage and boost a decentralized local area, working at the front of WEB3. APECOIN holders administer themselves through the decentralized administration system controlling the APECOIN DAO and vote on how the APECOIN DAO ecosystem fund ought to be utilized. The APE Foundation oversees propositions settled upon by APECOIN holders. 2. Who are the founders of APECOIN? APECOIN is a decentralized venture motivated by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project. APECOIN was established to be utilized inside the blossoming ape ecosystem, which is upheld by the Ape Foundation. The APECOIN DAO intends to assemble and keep up with the ape ecosystem in a fair and comprehensive manner, giving a foundation to APECOIN holders to work together through open and permissionless administration processes. A regulatory chamber inside the Ape Foundation, the board, will do the choices of APECOIN DAO individuals. The board is liable for the everyday organization, accounting, project the executives, and different assignments that guarantee what makes APECOIN unique. APECOIN is the ape ecosystem's administration token, permitting token holders to partake in APECOIN DAO, and giving members a common and open money can be utilized without incorporated middle people. 62% of all APECOIN was designated to the ecosystem fund, which will uphold local area-driven drives, as decided on by APECOIN DAO individuals. APECOIN additionally gives admittance to specific pieces of the ecosystem that are generally inaccessible, similar to elite games and administrations. For outsider designers, APECOIN is a device to take an interest in the environment by integrating APECOIN into administrations, games, and different tasks. The Ape Foundation was gifted a one-of-one NFT by Yuga Labs, the makers of Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yuga Labs has passed all freedoms and honors onto this NFT and its fundamental craftsmanship to the Ape Foundation. The APECOIN DAO individuals can conclude how this protected innovation is utilized. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ape market that depend on the readings of our novel crypto volatility index that assists us with measuring the market feeling and expect where in which the market plans to go. At this point, the cost of APECOIN is $8.11, while the coin right now winds up at 32nd spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value, that is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to consider the authentic information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On May 20th, the cost of APECOIN was at $8.08 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 5.36%. A week prior, on May 14th, APE was esteemed at $8.59, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on April 21st, the market member laid out the cost of APECOIN at $16.81. In this way, the coin has made a 51.77% move to arrive at its current standings. Yesterday, on May 20th, APE had a market capitalization of $2,361,272,553. Last week, on May 14th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $2,448,062,969. A month prior, on April 21st, the market worth of APECOIN was surveyed to be $4,788,063,145. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with APE arrived at the place of $333,136,538. Yesterday, on May 20th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $652,533,731. A week prior, on May 14th, how much APE that was traded between market members was assessed at $1,769,246,887. If you are a first-time peruser, consider this APE cost estimate as the rule for the synthesis of your own digital currency portfolio through the appraisal of the capability of a given cryptographic money. Also, on the off chance that you as of now have a portfolio or an exchanging methodology worked around this cost forecast model, keep involving it as an edge of reference. Each time you notice an error between the anticipated market improvement and the genuine cost, consider making a move contingent upon the continuous economic situation. Add to the position assuming the cost plunges beneath the allowable limits, or consider offloading a piece of the position, assuming it goes over that limits, yet consistently check your aims with CVIX, the working standards of which will be made sense of later. The APECOIN cost expectation wouldn't be finished without the clarification of the beginning and the assigned utilization of the crypto volatility index that shapes the foundation of this figure model. As currently referenced, CVIX is the brainchild of our examiners and programming designers who have invested lots of energy chipping away at an ideal answer for surveying the expected market instability and placing it in some visual structure. Also, the marker consolidates the best-in-class profound learning calculation that sweeps and examines in a real sense terabytes of authentic market